Hello students, in this video we are going to see GM, geometric mean, the concept discrete series. Okay, discrete already done, individual series concept. Now discrete series. Okay, this also in 5 mark they will ask. Discrete series formula is nothing but GM equal to, again you write antilog. Geometric mean, whenever you ask geometric mean, you find antilog of summation here f into log x by capital N. So capital N is total of the frequency. Okay, this is a formula. In previous formula, in individual summation log x by n potom. Here only you write just log x into f divided by capital N. This is main capital N is total of the frequency. So using this formula, you solve one problem. Then you know how to do the problem. Okay, this is a question. Third question. Calculate GM for the following data. Okay, so you know here which type of data this? Here they given x and f. Whenever they given f, that is a discrete or continuous. Here x value is not. It is a interval value. Here they given individual values and the x values and f. So this is a concept of discrete. Okay, discrete now they given x and frequency. Okay, you know. And now we go to the problem. First we write x values and frequency. What is x? They given 10, 15, 22, 26, 33 and last one is 42. Okay. The corresponding frequencies they given 5, 11, 16, 25, 9, 4. Okay. So what is the formula? Formula is f into log x. Right? Log x. So in the x value you find log. Okay. That means you need log x. So what do you do? In the given x value, no, that means 10, 15, in each value you find log. Okay, that is log x. So already I told you know how to find log. Here I am doing directly log of 10. Okay, if you have a scientific calculator, using that one you check. So log 10. So log 10 is nothing but 1. Now log 15. Log 15 is nothing but 1.1761. Now log 22. So log 22 1.3424. Log 26 nothing but 1.4150. Log 33 1.5185. The last one log 42. So 42 is 1.6232. So after finding the log x, what's the formula? F log s. That means you multiply f, that frequency, into log x. Okay, so you already wrote f value here and log x. Now just to multiply, that means that is our f log x. Okay, in the formula, so what are the columns you find? Go through panikom. Okay, now we need f log s. That means f column you and log x you multiply. Now we multiply using the calculator. So 5 into 1 5. This is easy one. If decimal means you use calculator only. Okay. Now 11 into 1.7161. That is nothing but 21.9371. Okay. Now 16 into 1.3424. That is nothing but 21.4784. So each value you check panikonga. Okay. Now 25 into this 1.4150 is nothing but 35.375. So likewise 9 into 1.5185. So 13.665. The last one 4 into 1.64. That means 6.4928. Okay. Already told whenever they given frequency now you find n, capital N. Okay. In the problem frequency kuduttale, if they given frequency na adar total na capital N. Just you to add all the f values. That is nothing but you get 70. Okay, 70. That is total of frequency equal to n equal to 70. Now you find f log x or total summation f log x. Okay, don't find sum of the log value now. In the two total only use the formula. Okay, so f log x or total. Just add this all values. If you add this all values, we get 94.9498. Check the total. Okay, now come to the formula. Already I wrote formula that side. Okay, now come to the formula. Anti-log So summation f log x. Summation f log x value what? 94.9498. That value right here 94.9498 divided by n. What is your n? N means the total of frequency. Don't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Most of the students will in the total in the number of values support wrong. That is wrong. Frequency to total, that is our capital N, that only you write. Okay, so that means 70. So 70. Now anti-log of, now divide these two value. If you divide these two, we get 1.3564. So each thing you check. Okay, if you any mistake means command you. Now for this you find antilog. Okay, antilog of this value. Already told antilog is nothing but shift in the scientific calculus, shift button and logarithm button. After writing, type this value. After that, C code we get 22.7209. So this is our required GM. So I hope you understood this concept, discrete series. So discrete series formula is using the antilog of summation f log x by n. So they given x and f, find the log of the x value, after multiply f log x, the f log x total divided by n, capital N means frequency total. After dividing, we get one value, that value find antilog, that is our answer. Don't forget to find the antilog, that's the main thing. If you have any doubt means you ask in comment. This is a very important problem, just to copy your note. Thank you, student.